question asks us to predict which of these reactions would be faster. If we look at these two reactions, they're essentially the same. The only thing that's different is whether we're starting with the cis or the trans but-2-ene. What I know from looking at the differences between these two is that the cis alkene is less stable. We have more steric hindrance between the methyl groups. This is a less stable starting material than the trans alkene. So if we start with the trans alkene, we start with our starting material B. It will react with HBr to form a carbocation intermediate. That carbocation intermediate will react with Br- to form our product. If we look at the cis alkene will actually go through the same intermediate, so that we'll meet here and form the same product. So the difference really isn't in the second step at all. The difference is in the first step, which also happens to be the rate determining step. The cis alkene is less stable, so it will start at a higher energy than the trans alkene. But it will go to the same product, or the same intermediate, and then the same product. What that means is that the reaction with A has a smaller activation energy than the reaction with B. Because A has a smaller activation energy, it will react faster. And it will react faster because A is a less stable, more reactive starting material than B.